Hello with a new video by Asmer channel. Before anything, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Today we will talk about if a person sneezes when his eyes is open. Like you see, it will go out of his face. Don't try never to make it. It's very dangerous and it make you near to death and you will never see again. It's a gift from God that make you close your eyes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.